Are you thinking about getting your real estate license in Alaska? Well, if so, you landed on the right video because I'm going to dive right into just exactly how you get started with that process. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. My name is Tyler Roicki and I help real estate agents and brokers all around the nation personally develop, achieve higher levels of success in their businesses, and ultimately move closer towards their purpose in life. And so there are a couple of prerequisites that you're going to want to be aware of as you're looking at getting started with your licensing in Alaska. And the first one is you need to be 19 years of age or older. And then you need to have not been indicted for a felony or other crime that in the judgment of the commission affects an individual's ability to practice as a real estate salesperson competently and safely. So as long as you meet those requirements, you'll be able to move forward with the next steps towards getting started with your licensing process. And step one of that process is to complete 40 classroom hours of pre-licensing education. And what's neat about those 40 classroom hours is they don't necessarily have to be in a classroom. In fact, you can take it online, self-paced, and if you're looking for a place to get started with that, I've got a link in the description for you below, and as a thank you for watching the video, you'll have a nice discount code that you can use for that as well if you want to move forward with it. Now, the second step is to pass the course final. And then after you do that, you're going to want to sit for your state salesperson exam. And the exam has two portions, general practice and Alaskan law. There are 80 general practice questions and 40 state law questions. And a passing score is 75 or higher. The fourth step is you're going to want to complete the real estate salesperson application and pay the required fees. So you've got a $200 application fee, a $140 license fee, and a $50 recovery fund fee, which brings that total to $390. The fifth step is to affiliate with a licensed broker. Now, I'm not going to dive deep into how to find the best possible fit for a broker to get started with in this video, but if you check out my channel, I will have another video to help you through that process and find the best possible fit for you based on what your goals are with getting started on your license. And step 6 is to complete your post-licensing education. All new licensees are required to complete 30 hours of post-licensing education, otherwise known as PLE. And this education must be completed within 1 year after the date of the initial licensure. And then an additional 20 hours of continuing education must be completed in order to renew the license. So now that you know exactly how to get your real estate license in Alaska and even where to get started with it, the only question is, are you gonna get after it? If so, let me know in the comments below and check out the description. I've got some resources there to help you in the meantime. And if you'd like to learn more about what partnering with the brokerage I'm affiliated with would look like for you, feel free to shoot me an email. You'll find that in the description, and I'd be more than happy to make an introduction for you, as well as to learn more about your goals with getting started in the business to see if it would even be the right fit for you. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button so that I may stay connected with you on the journey forward in the future. And until next time, I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.